We've got you on British Defender, departing Monday, returning Wednesday.
Yeah, let's go sailing! Hey, this is Danny Black, and I want to share one more awesome experience at the Whitsundays. This trip was loaded with adventures, so I'm going to break it down into 3 parts. For day 1, we sailed away enjoying the fresh air and the wind in our faces. And maybe a cold drink or 2. A similar ship came by, and we thought it'd be fun to race them. So with the sails up high, and the ship practically on its side, we won that race. They never even got close. So we said goodbye to real life, sat on the high side of the boat, and sailed away. We came up to our first stop. It's the British Defender. It's really windy. Everybody's off. Yeah, the wind and microphone don't always mix. But while everyone was off snorkeling, I thought it was a good idea to show you around the boat. This boat has been remodeled, so now let me just show you around. So bear with me, because this could take a while. Here's some beds, more beds, more beds, more beds, my bed, more beds, toilet, USB charging station, kitchen. Oh, that's it. Actually, that's just the gist of it. There's a lot more to discover, but for now I want to do some snorkeling. It truly is amazing to be able to swim in this part of the world.
Welcome to the Whitsundays!
Everybody have one of these?
Luckily, they had cool yellow raincoats for everyone.
Nice!
But when it rains in Queensland, just wait 5 minutes. And then it's back to being beautiful. We found a good cove where we can park the boat for the night. It was nice just to hang out and get to know everyone. But not for too long, because tomorrow is a massive day. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out day 2 on this awesome adventure.